Here in our intellectual waterhole at Broadways, which is the most important place in civilization of Goa. I would say that the melting pot of ideas, discussion, debates, and suddenly I thought of reading this poem, one of my 4,500 odd poems on Poetizer since 5th April 2020. I joined the Czech Republic free apps. And it came spontaneously because I was looking behind when I left the Goa University campus, which is having more than 3,000-4,000 species, 120 species of birds, peacocks, peafowl dancing in front of your house or on the roof, rainbows, storms, and most important trees, because I could understand and read the trees and how they change every season. So this was like I could not say goodbye to the trees, because it is not possible to say anything in front of every tree that you have been part with, because I used to walk to my laboratory every day and come back at the night, and I used to encounter, trees were like my family members actually. So I miss the trees I left behind. This is the poem. After shifting a whole house, I miss lots of things. But now I wake up with a start, as memories of the trees left behind trouble me, torment me. Decades spent around them, seasons watching them, I left behind trees, branches, leaves, clovers, climbers, creepers, grass growing under, mosses on the bark. I left behind a part of my body, my existence. I left the trees behind. I don't know why I miss them. Their images are so stark, real, vivid in mind. They can't talk. But we had built an invisible bond before packing up everything. I used to look at them with a very heavy heart. I knew that's the end of it. If and when I return, it would be a visitor's visit. Just few glimpses, if at all they exist, or perhaps gone, fallen, or removed. But the very fact that these trees torment me tells me that I achieved something in their company. Of course, there are lots of trees, different kind, around here in the new place. But I can't connect to them. I just watch them. The trees I left behind were different. Wild, natural, uncared, elemental, magical. I could almost talk to them. Now it's over. I will die someday, and they would need some wood to cremate me and reduce me to ashes. My ashes would be united with the ashes of some unknown trees. It would not be easy then for the one collecting my ashes to separate my ashes and united with the ash of the burnt trees. I would unite with the trees, and united with the ash of burnt trees, I would unite with the trees elementally, finally, totally, and won't then miss the trees I left behind. Thanks.